Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your PSN account, console, and network are ready. Sign into the exact user who will use the gift card. Once logged in, open the PlayStation Store from the Ps5 home screen, redeeming their applies funds to that user's wallet. Make sure the card's region matches your account, otherwise the code will fail. If you're short on time, locate the redeem codes entry immediately so you can type the code without navigating menus later. You now redeem the code. Go to the PlayStation Store, select your avatar menu, then Redeem Codes. Enter the characters exactly uppercase and no spaces and press Confirm. Once the system accepts the code, funds are added to your wallet. Check the new balance shown in the picture-in-picture or wallet screen. If you prefer, you can also redeem via the PlayStation app or account. Sony Entertainment Network account, choose the method that's fastest for you. Make sure the funds appear before attempting a purchase. You finish by selecting the game, DLC, or subscription and choosing by using wallet funds. Confirm the purchase and begin the download. Once done, manage downloads in the control center and free up storage if needed. Pause other downloads or delete unused apps. If the code doesn't work, stop and recheck region, character confusion like O versus 0, and try entering it again. Then restart the PS5. If problems persist, contact PlayStation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.